Though I plan the way, God directs my footsteps. Wherever my footsteps, thousands of miles walking, I never took breaths. My master plan was built with slave hands. To know unknown knowledge is the pinnacle of precise power. With my words, I articulate architecture, structuring designs, crisscrossing lines, etching and sketching hieroglyphics, decoding the grand design. Beyond the stars lies my destiny. Carved in the scorching sun, I can see the signs. They shine so bright with light that it blinds the all-seeing eye, and I see with my eyes all the lies that go unrealized. And when I've realized that the truth that should set you free is paid with a price, but no need to ask around. You can find the cost of freedom buried in the ground. Listen, the truth is, ain't no going around the truth at ground zero. There's levels to this shit. And I started from the bottom, because whenever I set plans, it was like reaching for help from a dead man. 6 feet deeper than 6 feet, digging the grave 6 feet deep with red hands. These hands, bloodstained like shovels, digging deeper into the people, extracting the blood, sweat, and tears that pour from the pores to the pores, and I'm reaching for more. So with this hand of mine, just hand me time, because time is the only thing that we do have. We all spend time wasted with time wasted, so let's face it. Eventually, the glitz and the glamour will become so basic. Harsh realities, we're living in the matrix. Despising the sun, wish for the moon. We like vampires dealing with a day shift. Who's writing the script?